Levven Controls are wire-free switches and controllers that work together to eliminate the time, work, and costs associated with traditional wired switch installation. It's a simplified electrical system that delivers easy, customizable power control. The concept is simple. Levven has separated the wired switch into its two component parts: the rocker interface that people use to control loads, and the electrical contacts that interrupt power to the load. This is the Levven switch and the Levven controller. The Levven controller is installed in an electrical junction box at any point between the panel and the load. It can also fit into an existing switch box for retrofit and renovation projects. Once a controller is wired, switches are then paired to that controller using a simple three-step process. First, press the button on the wired controller that will be paired to the switch. The controller will flash green. Next, squeeze and quickly release both ends of the switch. The LED on the switch will momentarily flash, and the LED on the controller will flash red and green. Finally, press the button on the controller to lock in the pairing. The LED on the controller will pulse green and then stay green. Levven switches can be attached to any surface: drywall, tile, brick, concrete, wood, etc. Because there is no wire, it can also be used as a portable switch to a range of 250 feet. Levven switches use a common CR2032 watch battery and have a lifetime expectancy of 10 to 15 years at 15 on-off operations per day. Up to 3 switches can be paired to a single controller, allowing for fast and easy multi-way switching combinations. Each switch can be paired to any number or combination of Levven controllers. In 2019, Levven Q will be released and will enable mobile device access of Levven controllers. This will allow people to change switch pairing combinations and dim or turn power on and off from their phone.